Hey guys, it's Rory with SearchInChow.com and I'm actually at the Malaysian launch of the brand new Mavic 2 Pro and Mavic 2 Zoom. But since it's raining right now, we can't actually get a demo of the drones flying, so I'll spend this downtime, telling you all you need to know about these two new drones. So everyone remembers the Mavic Pro, which was this awesome new drone when it launched. It had folding arms and it could open up into this reasonably sized drone, but then fold down into the size of a slightly larger oversized water bottle. That was amazing. No other drone before that had this capability. I mean, yeah, GoPro had the Karma, but that sort of just squished the wings together. This was a whole nother level of compact, and it was really amazing. So how do you improve on something like that? Well, this time there are actually two Mavic drones. So the first one is called the Mavic 2 Pro, and as its name would suggest, it is the more pro grade one. That means this drone actually has a giant 1-inch sensor instead of your usual 1 and a 2/3-inch sensor that you'd find on your normal drone. So this is a 1-inch sensor. That's the same size as the sensor you'd find on the Sony RX100. And not only that, this module was actually co-developed between DJI and Hasselblad. Yes, those people who make those gigantic medium format cameras with amazing image quality, yes, they co-developed this drone with them. So the other one is called the Mavic 2 Zoom. So the Mavic 2 Zoom, as its name would suggest, actually has zooming functions. So instead of a fixed lens, you get a zoom lens that can zoom between 24mm equivalent focal length to a 48mm equivalent focal length. So that's optical zooming, and that's actually pretty amazing. I don't know if there's another sort of consumer level drone that has this capability. So while the cameras are actually the biggest differentiating factor between the Mavic 2 Pro and the Mavic 2 Zoom, the rest of the drone is actually very similar. So you have a significant upgrade over the old Mavic Pro, and there are probably too many features for me to mention in this video, but I'll give you the highlights. So first off, the Mavic 2 Pro and Zoom both have 10 sensors on board. That means you have top, bottom, front, back, and left to right, if I'm not mistaken. You have 10 sensors, and they also come with that new obstacle avoidance system that debuted with the Mavic Air, so it can actually navigate around obstacles by itself in its selected mode. Besides that, DJI also upped battery life. So instead of the 27 minutes on the Mavic Pro, this time you're getting 31 minutes on a single charge. That is crazy long time for a drone that's that size. And finally, DJI also upgraded the motors on these two drones. So now not only do they provide more torque for better performance, they're also quieter, so they're less obtrusive to your surroundings. You know how drones are always buzzing about? These buzz about slightly less loud. It's actually ridiculous how quiet these drones are. Look, they're flying in the background right there. But you can barely hear them. At least I can barely hear them. I don't know what the mic's gonna pick up, but it's so quiet. Oh my god. Ridiculous. Look at that. Right there. Okay, so it's really hard to capture how quiet these drones fly on video. You have to hear it for yourself to really appreciate that, but I think for now you just have to take my word for it. Anyway, later they let us fly the drone, so yeah, let's get back to the video. So I just got the chance to fly the Mavic 2 Zoom, and it's awesome, dude. I want one. That zoom lens on a drone is actually so much more useful than you'd expect. The flying itself was pretty standard, normal DJI stuff, right? It's excellent, steady, easy to control, great UI and stuff like that. But I mean, the new features that they added, the hyperlapse function especially, is you just select the center point. The one that I tried out was a circle point. All you need to do is select the center point and then hit a button, and it does the hyperlapse for you. Perfectly stable shot with no fidgeting. Just press one button and just leave it. It's so cool, seriously. And the dolly zoom, what the hell? You know, it's ridiculous. I can't even do that manually. It's dude, let me tell you, this drone, awesome. Personally, I don't know what else I could want in a drone that size. It's actually really remarkable how DJI has managed to cram so much into that form factor, and I think they've really knocked it out of the park this time. But if you want to get your hands on one, you're gonna have to pony up, because the Mavic 2 Pro will be priced at 6,599 ringgit in Malaysia, while the Mavic 2 Zoom will be priced at 5,699 ringgit. Both of these drones will go on sale in September, sometime later this month, and they also will be offering a dedicated Fly More combo kit where you can buy it for 1,399 ringgit. So that gives you extra propellers, extra batteries, and a whole bunch of other goodies. So you may remember that the previous Fly More kits were always bundled with the drone, so you had to make up your mind immediately. Right now they're separating it, so you can actually buy the drone first, and then later if you feel like, I need more propellers because I crashed into a tree, or oh, I need more batteries because I want to do more cinema. So you can pick that package up later, which I think is a pretty good move. However, they're not going to extend this split package to the previous drones. This is a new thing and only for new drones. So if you've got like a Mavic Air or something like that, you won't be able to pick up a dedicated Fly More kit. And that's it. That's all you need to know about the Mavic 2 Zoom and Mavic 2 Pro in Malaysia. Let me know what you think of these two tiny powerhouse drones. What else would you like to see in a drone of this size? Be sure to leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell icon, like us on Facebook, and check out searchandchow.com for all the most refreshing slices of tech news. I'll catch you in the next video. I'm Rory. See you next time.